Hello traders, hello YouTube. I'm Will Bridges. Welcome back to 123 Trade. We're going to be talking lots of trading in here, Forex, stocks, commodities, oil, gold, whatever you want to trade. We trade a lot of it live with our customers. Right now, what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to track your trading. Get analytics on your trading. So full, automated analytic platform that tracks everything you do. It's the trading journal of the future. If you plan on trying to figure out what part of your strategy is working, maybe you want to know what your average win is, what your average loss is. It'd be a lot easier to figure out what's wrong with your trading if you had a good way of tracking all of your data, just like if you were running any other business. So if you want to track all of your trading data and your history, and you want to do it automatically, you don't want to have to write in a journal every day, then you're going to want to pay attention to this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a couple things. This is about hooking up Metatrader 4 to MyFXBook. Okay, so MyFXBook offers this service for free, so you don't have to pay for this either, folks. This is a really no-brainer service that if you trade Forex, CFDs, whatever, you should totally set this up today, right now, while I make this video. I want to go ahead and set up the risk disclaimer thing for you guys real quick, but I want to make sure if you guys are interested in more content like this, where we help you, level up in trading a little bit, then by all means, press the thumbs up button, give us some love, subscribe, ring the bell. There's a lot more to come, but let's go ahead and get the risk disclaimer out of the way. I want to make sure everybody understands everything on this channel is for educational purposes only. All this is saying, if you put your money into the foreign exchange market, or any market for that matter, your capital is at risk. You have to risk it to get the biscuit, folks. So there's no such thing as a guaranteed win, a guaranteed investment. Okay, the only thing you can control is your risk. You don't want to trade with money you cannot afford to lose. So let's keep on rocking. And first thing I want to show you guys here, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Metatrader 4 account so you guys can see exactly what it is that we're tracking. And this is what Metatrader 4 looks like if you have not opened it. We have other videos to download it, and I think I'm putting a comment up here somewhere that you can go watch and figure out how to download it with AvaTrade if you are one of our clients already. It'll be very similar with pretty much every broker to download Metatrader 4 as to what I show in the other video that I just put the comment up there for. But this is all of our, active trades right now. So you can see right now it's saying that our equity, that we're up profit 281.86 with active trades. This is all of our, election rally prediction. So if you're wondering how it's been going since the other videos were published, pretty good. So here comes the history. This is our account history. What this is going to show is, every trade that I've closed. And this is what, MyFXBook does full analysis on. So MyFXBook is going to do all of the analytics on your trading history. And it does it automatically. It sends it out it basically updates a website on a timer. I'm going to show you what that website looks like as well right now. So right now you can see our active trades. I just showed you the history. And like I said, I made a MyFXBook specifically for this election rally prediction so that I could track it and share the results with people and eventually teach people how to set up a MyFXBook. So this is myfxbook.com. Okay, so I'm already logged in on this site. If you've never been here before, I'll just log out and show you what it looks like. So if you've never been here before, it's easy to set up an account. It's free. It says quick sign up for a reason right over here on the right. Okay, so basically all you need to do, pick a username, create a password, type in that thing to make sure that they know you're a human, and then you'll be able to just log in after that, obviously. And you may actually just be logged in automatically, but let's just say logging into it's not the part that people have trouble with most of the time. It's hooking up their trading account. So if you want to know how to hook up your trading account, and link your Metatrader 4 account to your MyFXBook, then I'm about to show that. And that's a little bit more complicated than, let's just say signing up. 123trade.com. And now we are logged into my account. And if you want to add an account to monitor, so if I want to add a new portfolio, okay, a trading account for this thing to crunch numbers on, I need to click on add account. I'm going to show you guys first. This is the MyFXBook that we made for the election rally prediction. So this is tracking everything that we've done this month. Like I've said, we've closed out, 2,500 pips. There's 25 251 because we traded micro lots in this position. So, I mean, all these trades that we've opened, about a little less than $3 a piece to open. So, I mean, really, you could have done all this with as little as maybe like $400 in your account and followed all these trades. We're up $285 on active trades that are still running. So we haven't not hit our profit line yet. We haven't closed them out. But this is already closed out trades up top. It'll measure by weekday, year, whatever you want. Average your total pips. Okay, 2561. That's our total pips. We've closed out 5 trades because this is just like I said for the election rally prediction. I wanted to track this for everybody. But our average win, average loss, we haven't lost in this yet, which is not going to be common. Eventually you will lose. There's no such thing as winning all the time. But generally this prediction, we had a lot of steam behind, and hey, it's happening. But if you want to, check your monthly gain, every bit of analytics you could possibly stand to look at for your account, how good you do each day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which days do I perform best on? Do I lose every time I trade on Monday? Whatever it is, this is where you find out this information. So what I can tell from this account, the biggest problem that we have right now is that we're not trading it heavy enough, which is a good problem to have, which is why you want to have something like this. And, you also want to verify your MyFXBook account and have this, trading privileges verified, checked. You want to have track record verified, checked. And the way that you do that, okay, one of these, track record verified, if you hover over these little, question marks that are here, there's more information on this page about, how to get that done. But really all you have to, when you add the account, typically the track record is going to be verified immediately because it's going to pull your history data. So you have to have placed a trade. If you have not placed a trade and closed out a trade and you don't have any history data, you're going to break this. And this back office, you're not going to get a pretty graph because there's nothing for it to graph. It doesn't know what to do. Okay, so you have to open and close a trade in your live account or whatever it is that you're hooking up to this, okay, before you try to add the account. I'm about to show you how to add the account in a moment here. And then after you add it, to get it verified, you have to place a trade with the authorization code in Metatrader 4, and that's a pending order setup. I'm going to show all of that here in this video in the next couple of minutes. So pay attention because a lot of people mess this up all the time and they never get this to work and they lose interest and they just don't keep track of their trades and they never get better. So let's jump that hurdle. So what you're going to need to do is click add account. Okay. And my platform is, a lot of people get stuck right here. You make a bad decision. It's really easy to make a bad decision right here. What you want to do is you want to click Metatrader 4 auto update. Auto sounds easier, right? That's because it is. I've set up all of these for all of these different accounts before. This one is the least confusing and the most reliable. So the place to go. So Metatrader 4 auto update. Okay, so now I need my account name, call it whatever I want, prediction election, broker. Okay, this is something you can click. It is a drop down, but you can type. So if you have AvaTrade, you type in Ava, and it gives you these 2 to choose from. You click from the drop down list. If you don't click from the drop down list after you search in the bar like that, and you don't, and it is case sensitive like this, I don't know if it's going to work. Bottom line, make it easier to search with a couple of letters because there's like 1,000 brokers on here. This thing really, I think MyFXBook is compatible with most brokers. So as long as they have Metatrader 4, which most brokers have. So server, this information is in your My Accounts page of your broker. Okay. And it's also at the top left-hand corner of your Metatrader 4 instance. So here's my account number, top left. Okay. Here's my server, top left as well. Okay. So whatever that server is, whatever that account number is, you need to put that in here. That one was, my server was Ava demo on that Metatrader 4 instance. Yours might be Ava 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. But it'll be on this drop-down list. Okay. After you select the broker, because the brokers are going to have multiple different servers for different parts of the world so that everybody gets fast trading speeds and, the world goes round. Account number, this is going to be the same number that I showed you in the top left-hand corner of Metatrader 4. So in your charting platform itself, I've already shown how to download MT4 in another video. I'll put links for all of this stuff below this video. So if you are wondering what I'm talking about with Metatrader 4, I've got other videos on that too. This is Metatrader 4, but as far as like how to hook it up and where to download it, the nitty gritties. But yes, so my account number, top left, server, top left as well. Make sure we're all on the same page. Investor password. This is whatever the password is for your trading account. Okay. Real straightforward. Some brokers are going to have an MT4 password. If you have AvaTrade, then it's all the same password. But like Oanda, for example, has a password to log into their back office. But Oanda for some reason also has an MT4 password, and it's really not easy to find. So, I've had to change my password with them before. It was a total pain in the butt. But regardless, you don't have to worry about that if you have AvaTrade. And I don't mean to name names and talk smack, but but that's kind of annoying, to say the least. Anyways, so we're at this point. We've set this up already, and after you click create account, it's going to search. It's going to pull your trading account history in, and once it pulls in your trading account history, okay, it's going to pull up a bunch of your stats. Everything's going to look neat. It's going to be on this, a page that looks something like this. You're going to have like a track record verified will pop up here. Okay. Trading privileges verified will have an X next to it. Okay. So for you to verify your trading privileges and be able to click this share button and then send this to whoever you want and share this so that other people can look at it and look at your trades. I have this set up in the 123 Trade clients only group. So if you're part of it in Facebook, I have this just posted in there. You can go look and see what all of our open trades are in this room pretty much all the time. I mean, that's what this is with stops and limits and the whole 9 yards. This is all of the analytics on all the trades I'm running. So if you're looking for trading signals or, ideas, trading ideas, whatever it is, they're all on this analytics. So, all this trading analytics is something that just happens on its own. You don't have to do it, but to verify, okay, you can find this out here. You can click on this button here. I'm going to take you here to this page. For more information, click here. I just want to show you guys what happens when you click here. So they walk you through the steps of exactly what you need to do. Okay. So this right here, to get to this page, okay, I'm going to open up another page so I can explain this because this is confusing. It took me a little bit to figure this out. But let's go to portfolio. I'm going to click add account. Okay. So now I'm going to click on add account again. Okay. And actually, no, not back. We already added the account. So let's go back to my apologize, folks. So portfolio. Okay. We're going to come back to this add account page, but we're not going to click add account again. Okay. So if I want to verify my trading results, I want to really make sure that I can share this link with other people and I can share my trading analytics with other people. Then I need to click on edit next to the account that I just added. Okay. So from there, you're going to have this page and I'm going to bump over to the help page so you guys can see that. Okay. So this authorization password, you see where that's circled right there. Okay. This is my page already. I've already done this. So it says account authorized successfully. So whatever this password is, that's right here, this authorization password is, okay. You need to copy that password. And you need to go into Metatrader 4. So let's just imagine this. There's I'm copying this password from right here. It's going to be in the same place. So just copy, Control C, whatever, right click, copy, we're copying this. And I'm going to go over to Metatrader 4. And what I need to do is I need to set up a pending order with that authorization code in it. Okay. It's more or less a marker for Metatrader 4 to verify that it's getting information directly from your trading account. So that's really all it takes. And we can pick something cheap to do this on, but it doesn't really matter. I'm not actually going to open this trade. I'm going to delete it as soon as I get done making it and connecting the account because I really just have to have at least one live trade closed and have it I have to have something in my history. Okay. This pending order is not in my history. It's in my order window. Okay. So I have to have something in my history already to have set this account up to begin with. At this point, this pending order is just to verify everything else, be able to share this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and go to something with a low spread. I'll go to the Euro USD. Okay. So it looks like we're almost to our profit target for this one right now. I'm going to go ahead and set in a pending order. And to do that, I just right clicked on the chart itself, hover over trading. I'm going to click new order. Okay. And now I'm going to set, and it says type rate here. I'm going to set pending order. Okay. Stop loss, I want to set it as something that's just not going to hit. I don't want to actually get into this trade. I just want to set up a pending order so I can verify my MyFXBook. Okay, so I'm going to set it as something that just won't get hit, 1.2. This is the euro we're on right now. So take profit, 1.08, whatever, 1.08. We're not actually getting in this price, okay? So I need to do a sell limit based on the prices I just gave there to make this make sense, okay? And let's just say at price, whatever, 119. Okay, we'll set this up for volume, the minimum, just in case this is a fantastic trade if we get opened into it. So whatever. What I need to do is make sure in the comments window where I told you that authorization password was, I copied my account authorized successful, whatever, that's where that was. Okay, you need to copy that into this comment right above the order type, right above pending order. So now that I've copied that in there, you click place, okay. It may not let me do it right now, okay, we just entered that pending order. So now I have that pending order, and to look at it, okay, if you scroll down here, you've got your pending orders below your actives. So this pending order we just made in the Euro USD is right here, okay. So now what I have to do, after I've placed the pending order, okay, I minimize, I'm going to come back over here. There's this little button that says connect. Okay, so now that I have that pending order in there, it's sitting in there with my authorization password. I click on connect. And then magic happens in the air. You get connected. It'll say that you're verified now. You'll have this happy message on the front page that, you've got these two checks there instead of a check and an X that just looks just bad. And now you can share it with your friends. You can do whatever you want. The best part about it is you can monitor all of your trading activity as much as you want without having to do any actual labor. I can't say it enough. If you haven't got an idea, if you trade Forex and you don't know how to set one of these up, you don't have one of these already, this is something you definitely need to manage your Forex trading account and run it like a business, because that's what this is. Everybody, you're here to make money. I hope. But we got a lot more coming for you, folks. Thank you for joining us. Again, I'm Will Bridges from 123 Trade. If you like this type of content, you want to see more trading activity from us, then by all means, show us some love, like the video, subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you again soon, folks.